You see these fire designs? I made them with just my phone and with free AI tool in a couple of seconds. No stress, no skill needed. Stick with me and I will show you how you can do exactly the same. Let's dive in.
Welcome to Lucrative Hustles, the channel where I show you how to use free AI tools to create smart online income streams. So if you're serious about turning your phone into a money machine, do well to hit that subscribe button.
So I'm trying to create a flyer for a Facebook ad course, okay? So what I will just do is for me to describe what I want the flyer to look like, right? I said create a professional design for my ad training Facebook course, okay? So I'm just going to put everything that I want to see on the flyer. So once I'm done typing everything I want to see on the flyer, I'll just come down here and rewrite this prompt in a more professional way as a professional prompt engineer. So once I'm done writing that, I'll just click on this send button and ChatGPT is going to rewrite this description as a professional prompt for us that we can use to generate our beautiful designs, okay? So now ChatGPT is done generating our professional prompt for us, okay? What we need to do just for us to copy this prompt and paste it back here, right? Just copy it and paste it back here. Then click on this arrow, this send arrow, and ChatGPT is going to generate stunning flyer that is going to blow your mind. How cool is this? Did you see that? This is why it's very important for you to put the key features of what you want to see in your flyers. I just put the key features of what I want to see in my flyers. And ChatGPT remodeled the features I wanted, and it gives me a flyer that is really blowing my mind right now. So it's as simple as that. So let me do another image for you to really understand how this is done, okay? So here on ChatGPT, what you need to do is for you to give ChatGPT the description of the image you want to create, right? The description of that design you want to create. You know, we are not professional prompt engineers. That is why we need to give ChatGPT what to work with, okay? I want to make a flyer for my food business, okay? So what I need to do now is for me to give ChatGPT the features that I want to see on that flyer, okay? I said I want to create a professional banner for my food business, okay? Now, I said design a professional banner for my business with the following, okay? So now I'm going to be writing out the features that I want in my banner, okay? So I started with the background. I'm just trying to explain how I want the background to look like, the image the background is going to carry, the color, like practically everything, okay? So I'm just going to write everything that I want, okay? So now I'm done describing, putting all the elements that I want to see in my design, okay? So after doing that, I'll just come down here and write, help me rewrite this prompt as a professional prompt engineer, right? After writing that, I'm just going to click on send, and ChatGPT is going to rewrite what I have written, my description for me as a prompt, and it's going to be a well-detailed prompt, okay? As you can see, ChatGPT is done writing the prompt for me. All I need to do is to copy the prompt, okay? I'm just going to copy everything, every single thing that ChatGPT has generated as the prompt. Mind you, don't put this intro at the actual ChatGPT normally give whenever I want to write something for you, okay? I just copied it and I pasted it here, and as you can see, ChatGPT is already generating our image for us, okay? They said that the image is processing, that there are a whole lot of people trying to generate images, that we should just be patient. This is happening because we are on the free version. As you can see, ChatGPT have generated a really beautiful image for me, okay? I wish I just used that prompt. I'm not sure ChatGPT would have gotten what I asked it to generate for me. So that is how you can generate your image, okay? If you have watched this video to this extent, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. This tells the algorithm that we are really doing something great here, so that it can be able to share this video to more people, okay? Thank you for doing that. Let's continue. So let's do one image before we go. Now I want to design a flyer for a movie premiere, okay? I'll just come here. I say I want to design a very beautiful flyer for a movie premiere, right? Now I'm putting background. I want to tell ChatGPT, I want to just give it a bit of how the background will look like so that I will give him something for it to work with, okay? I wrote my background. I'm trying to describe how I want the background to look like. Just try and give it some little details about your flyer, and it's going to create flyers or cover design, anything at all that is going to blow your mind. Okay, so once I'm done generating this flyer, I'm still going to tell you how you can replicate another image. Let me take, for instance, you like an image that you want to replicate. Let me teach you how you can actually do that. Okay, so once I'm done writing the features, I'll just come down here and write, help me rewrite this prompt as a professional prompt engineer. I'm just going to click on send, and ChatGPT is going to create a prompt that is going to blow your mind. All you need to do, as usual, is just for you to come, copy every bit of the prompt that ChatGPT has created, repaste it into ChatGPT, and it's going to create a flyer that is going to blow your mind. I kid you, you can see the result for yourself. This is really stunning and it's amazing, right? You don't need to waste money for designs again. With just this video you've watched, you'll be able to create stunning images, stunning flyers for yourself. Okay, so let's take, for instance, you've seen an image that you want to replicate. It's very easy. All you need to do, just for you to come to ChatGPT, click here and it's going to show this. Click on photos, then go to your phone gallery and make sure you put in the image you want to replicate, right? Once you put that in, just come here and type, I want to replicate this flyer or image, whatsoever it will be. This flyer, I want to replicate this flyer, right? But in a very unique way. I don't want it to look like I copied this design, okay? Just make sure you put in what ChatGPT is going to understand, right? What this design, okay? So just come down and tell ChatGPT what you want to see in your flyer, okay? The following are the key features I want to see in my design, okay? So you now come down and start telling ChatGPT what you want to see in your design, okay? The background, just make sure you feed ChatGPT with some vital information that is going to work with, okay? Because when you do that, ChatGPT is going to know what you are talking about. Now, you have given it an image that you, or a flyer, as the case may be, that you want to replicate. ChatGPT is going to go all out and make sure it gives you this pattern of flyer, but in a more unique way that even you yourself, when you see the flyer that ChatGPT has generated for you, it will be more better than the one you've uploaded, right? So once you are done with everything, just click on this arrow and ChatGPT is going to generate an image that is going to blow your mind, okay? If you want to learn how to make stunning thumbnails just like the ones that are displaying on your screen right now, I will indulge you to subscribe to the channel because that is the next video I'll be uploading on this channel. So for the meantime, the next video that is showing up on your screen is certainly a video that YouTube recommend that you should watch from this channel. Click on it and I'll see you there.